Hello friends and fellow YouTubers, I am back again continuing with the series. Thank you so much for your comments on the previous videos, and I will surely make a video answering all the questions as well. Now, today I am going to discuss with you how you can claim refugee status in Canada legally, what is the process, and how can you apply for it. Again, I am not an immigration lawyer or a consultant, and I am only trying to make available information more accessible and easy to understand for my audience. So without further ado, let's get started. Canada offers refugee protection to some people in Canada who fear persecution or who would be in danger if they had to leave. Some dangers they may face include torture, risk to their life, risk of cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. If you feel you could face one of these risks if you go back to your home country or the country where you normally live, you may be able to seek protection in Canada as a refugee. Who can make a refugee claim? So, to make a refugee claim, you must be in Canada and can't be subject to a removal order. However, if you're outside Canada, then you may be eligible to resettle in Canada as a refugee and immigrate to Canada through one of the programs. I have gathered all the information that I am about to share from the official website, and I will also share the link down in the description. So, if you make a refugee claim, it has to be decided if it can be referred to the Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada, IRB. The IRB is an independent tribunal that makes decisions on immigration and refugee matters. Your refugee claim may not be eligible to be referred to the IRB if any of the following applies. Number 1, you are recognized as a convention refugee by another country that you can return to. Number 2, you were granted protected person status in Canada. Number 3, you arrived via the Canada-United States border. Number 4, you have made a refugee claim in another country, as confirmed through information sharing. Number 5, you are not admissible to Canada on security grounds or because of criminal activity, or human rights violations. Number 6, you made a previous refugee claim that was not found eligible. Number 7, you made a previous refugee claim that was rejected by the IRB. Number 8, you abandoned or withdrew a previous refugee claim. The IRB decides who is a convention refugee or a person in need of protection. Convention refugees are outside their home country or the country they normally live in. They're not able to return because of a well-founded fear of persecution based on race, religion, political opinion, nationality, being part of a social group, such as women or people of a particular sexual orientation. A person in need of protection is a person in Canada who can't return to their home country safely. This is because, if they return, they may face difficult circumstances including but not limited to danger of torture, risk to their life, risk of cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. The IRB website has more information on making an asylum claim in Canada. It is also important to know about Safe Third Country Agreement. Canada has an agreement with the U.S. that says people who want to make a refugee claim must do so in the first safe country they arrive in. This means, if you enter Canada from the U.S. at a land port of entry, you can't make a refugee claim in Canada. In some cases, this rule does not apply, for example, if you have family in Canada. Next question is, how to make a refugee claim? Well, to make a refugee claim, first, you must be in Canada. You can make your claim in one of two ways. In person, when you arrive in Canada at a port of entry, online, when you're already inside Canada. The information you share in your claim will help us understand your background, your family, and the reasons as to, why do you want to make a refugee claim? Lastly, when you make your claim, you can also request a work permit at the same time. Hope you got some new information, and learned something new as well. Having said that, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, down below, and press the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. So that is it for today guys, see you next time with a new video, until then take care and bye for now.